Thousands of homeowners in the UK are having new extensions, loft conversions and renovations done to their home, and they're suddenly hearing their neighbour noise. After building that dream kitchen, their perfect bedroom, they're then moving house to escape the noise. If you're planning a new extension or renovation to your property, you might want to avoid using these 3 building materials or techniques. Now, your builder is absolutely not going to want to hear this, but the truth is, the dot and dab plasterboard technique, even though the most cheapest and most efficient way to plaster a house, is been proven to make noise worse in homes. Even using this technique with the dense sound block board, just an example of using this dot and dab plasterboard technique, you could hear your neighbour noise in your new rear extension off of the back of your house, even though it's not even attached to your neighbour's house. Number 2 is one of the best thermally efficient products ever made. It's made from aluminium foil and polyurethane cyanide. Hopefully I pronounced that right, but this foam is excellent at sound transmission. It means noise travels so easily through this foam. When it's installed to roofs and cavities, it channels the noise around your house. And impact noise, such as doors banging, furniture moving and footsteps, is more pronounced in your house. It feels worse, it feels louder when you have this product installed to the cavities. And number 3 is nothing new. It's well known that noise transmits so easily through those old style breeze blocks. But in more recent years, these old breeze blocks have been replaced with an even lower density block called thermalites. These thermalite blocks have even more air pumped into them, which means they're even more efficient at allowing the sound to transmit through them. They are a fantastic building product because you can build very quickly with them. They're anti-mold, anti-damp, they're great for structure. But again, it means using these blocks, the sound will transmit across your new extension renovation so easily. Now, these thermalite blocks are one of the main reasons if you have a new build property, you're hearing that TV noise on that second floor of your house. So if you're building a new extension or renovating your house and you live near a busy road, you live in a semi-detached or terrace property, or maybe you're sensitive to noise, you might want to ask your builder to watch a bit of Grand Designs or consider using alternative building materials. And if you're a builder and you think I'm talking crap, let us know in the comments down below.